Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Amazon marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of making some good money with Amazon. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Amazon in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 5 sections. This is exactly what you're going to learn. Section 1, Amazon Basics. In videos 1 through 3, we'll talk about what's Amazon all about, why you should care about Amazon, and how you can make money with Amazon. Section 2, the hottest ways to make money with Amazon. In videos 4 through 8, we'll talk about selling your products, selling your services, self-publishing, selling with FBA, and becoming an affiliate. Section 3, the Amazon Associates Program. In videos 9 through 12, we'll talk about setting up an Amazon affiliate website, setting up your Amazon Associates account, finding the best affiliate offers to promote, and writing content for your Amazon affiliate website. Section 4, Advanced Amazon Affiliate Tricks. In videos 13 through 16, we'll talk about the hottest traffic methods for Amazon affiliate sites, using Amazon native shopping ads, advanced FBA strategies, and embedding an Amazon A-store into a Facebook page. Section 5, Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's to apply, don'ts to avoid, premium tools and services to consider, and shocking case studies. Well, it's time for you to start making some good money from Amazon. I know you'll love this training.